It was day 40 today where the farmers' agitation was concerned, and it was the day of the 8th round of talks between the government and the protesting farmers. It ended just at about 7 p.m. this evening without absolutely no breakthrough. While farmers remain adamant on their demand of complete repealing of all three laws, the government is not ready to accept it. They're very clear. They're going to stand behind these laws. Next round of talks are now scheduled for January 8th.
Yet another round of talks between the Narendra Modi government and farmer unions. The outcome, same. The meeting at Vigyan Bhavan started with the two sides paying homage to those who have lost their lives in the protests that are well to the second month. But unlike the previous round of talks that broke ice with agreements on two issues, this time there was no breakthrough at all. The government and the farmers stuck to their guns. The farmers wanted the three farm laws repealed, and the government is not ready to do that.
देखो जब हम बस से आए थे ये मीडिया वाले आपके साथी हैं उनको बता के गए थे कि इस मीटिंग से कुछ नहीं सिद्धांत निकलेगा ये जो है सरकार कारपोरेटों की सरकार है बड़े सरमाएदारों की सरकार है साम्राज्यों की सरकार है इनके हाथ में कुछ नहीं मानने वाला
ये उन्होंने कुछ करना हुआ जब उनसे पूछेंगे ये अंबानी से पूछेंगे या अडानी कैसे पूछेंगे।
आज हम कोई निर्णय तक नहीं पहुंच सके और इसलिए यूनियन और सरकार दोनों ने मिलकर तय किया कि 8 तारीख को पुनः 2 बजे बैठेंगे और इस चर्चा को आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
An agreement on guaranteed MSP also remains elusive.
किसानों ने स्पष्ट कहा और एक सुर में कहा कि कानून वापसी से पहले कोई समझौता नहीं है। एमएसपी पे आज नहीं चर्चा करी, उसी दिन एमएसपी पे भी चर्चा होगी। आज पूर्ण रूप से इसी पे ही होगी।
Government wanted to discuss MSP, but we didn't. We actually did not want to discuss that because first and foremost we want to discuss 3 acts, repealing of 3 acts. So that is the first and foremost demand.
The next round of talks are scheduled on Friday. The farmers have threatened to take out their own parade on Republic Day if their demands are not met.
Bad weather amid winter chill, yet no end in sight to the woes of the farmers braving it out in this rain on Delhi borders. Now all eyes on the Friday's meeting, although an early solution looks impossible with both sides sticking to their stand. With camera person Anil Jaiswal, this is Anand Patel in New Delhi for India Today.
So if there's going to be no solution which looks plausible, then what? Some of the questions that we're going to be discussing at 9 p.m. today, why are farmers and the government unable to break this deadlock? Because it's day 40. You've got to put that in context. This agitation is continuing under extremely inclement weather. We've seen over 45 farmers who are right now dead due to natural causes as well. Meanwhile, the fight over farm laws, now a battle of egos. The farmers are not blinking, but neither is the government. And should the centre let states decide? Maybe find a middle path there. I want to cut across to our panelists this evening. I have Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, BJP. I have Dr. Shama Mohammed, Congress spokesperson. I have VM Singh, National Convener, All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Committee. I have Vijay Javandhya, Founder Member, Shetkari Sangathan. Sir, I'd begin with you, Mr. Trivedi, and the fact is, you know, it was the 8th round of talks. It's day 40 today. The farm unions which came out of this talk said that the most important issue, which is to them, the MSP being hardwired into the law, wasn't even discussed.
Everybody should try to understand this is the issue related to law. In law, there should be a clear analytical discussion on line by line and word by word. In law, there cannot be anything clear-cut black and white. If this would have been a situation, there was no need of courts, there was no need of lawyers, because every law states this, but there is a various interpretation in the various situations. So this is not an emotive issue also, like the Angrezo Bharat Chodo or Mandir Wahi Banayenge. Since this is an issue of law, so we are having an open-ended, we are having an open heart with full sensitivity, come and discuss point by point, clause by clause. We are ready to amend whatever is required. 10 amendments, we are ready for that. And those who are getting this type of logic, that if the 10 amendments are there, it means the law is redundant. By this logic, more than 100 constitutional amendment has been done in the constitution. It doesn't mean the constitution has become redundant. So as far as we are concerned, we are taking care of everybody all over the country. Because I just asked one question. You know which area of the country is having the biggest farmer society? Number one is Vidarbha, Maharashtra, followed by Telangana, followed by Andhra, followed by Karnataka, then Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And there is no movement. And the farmers are feeling some benefits because it is the 7th month of this. So we have to take care of every farmer, whether it is a farmer which is of Punjab, whether it is that farmer, which farmer for which the Congress said 2/3 people of the country doesn't have 2 square meals. By God's grace, if these farmers are having enough capacity to have 6 months meal, so also consider about those farmers who are not having 2 square meals in a day. So we have to consider everybody as a government. So that's why I will appeal to these farmers also कि अगर भगवान ने आपको संपन्न बनाया है तो विपन्न किसान की भी सोचिए. If God has given you grace of a prosperous farmer, also think of that farmer. Out of the last 30 years, 3 lakh farmers have committed suicide. So please consider those who have been suffering at a very tough situation and who are getting some light out of this amendment.
Dr. Trivedi, you talk about how, it's a law and law is extremely important and, the importance of how these laws were formulated for the good of the farmers. But, sir, the point of the farmers is there are 500 farm unions in this country. Not one was taken on board as a representation. Yes, you did. The government, in fact, did speak to a lot of experts. Experts are not farmers. Out of 500, not one farm union sat down on the table to discuss these laws. Why did you make these laws during a pandemic? These are the questions that are being asked.
Yes, you have asked a very appropriate question. When we include anything in our manifesto, it is done by an extensive feedback from the public. And we used the word crowdsourcing. If you remember our then party president, Amit Shah ji, when he has inaugurated this campaign for our manifesto. So we have got 92 lakh feedbacks, even indirectly 3 crore feedbacks on every aspect. But with due humility, I would like to ask, those who have put there in their manifesto, whether it's the Congress or Aam Aadmi Party, have they got with the feedback or there's some intuition from the sky? And now suddenly they have changed. So we are very clear. And those who are putting an allegation that suddenly it has come out at the time of the pandemic on one hand, and the other hand they are saying it is the 2003 model code of model act from Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government and the subsequent UPA 1 and UPA 2.
Dr. Trivedi, the farmers are saying none of us were taken on board. That you should have taken at least one of the 500 farm unions in this country on board.
If they are saying there are certain farm unions who have met the agriculture ministers and even expressed support in favor of it.
Sir, that is after the bill.
The fundamental problem. Yes,
that is after the bill has, through ordinance, become law.
We have said very categorically that we have taken the feedback. As far as the farmers union are concerned, you have raised a very appropriate point. There are n number of farmer unions who have expressed support for this, n number of farmers union who are neutral for it. In entire country, there is a problem agitation in just 2 states. So this is the problem. There is no specific leader of this movement. There was a time when Chaudhry Mahendra Singh Tikait was leading the farmers movement. At one point of time, Chaudhry Charan Singh. At one point of time, Sardar Prakash Singh Badal. Even at one point of time, Shetkari Kisan Sangatana Sharad Joshi ji. Even during the pre-independence era, Sir Chotu Ram or Sardar of Bandoli, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. But today, can you quote a single farmer union out of 500?
But sir, doesn't it cut both ways? I'll bring in, I'll bring in a farm union leader.
मेरी बात सुनिए.
जी.
मेरी बात सुनिए. 500 में 5 फार्मर यूनियन बताएं जिसमें कोई प्रेसिडेंट ना हो, जो कहते हो all the 20,000 members or 10,000 members will talk. So how is it possible that you are having your chief, but out of you should not have a one person? So this creates an impression that if the allegation is that the mistrust on the part of the government, the fundamental is mistrust within themselves.
All right. But sir, some will say that this cuts both ways because the beauty of it is also that there is no leader. But like I said, it cuts both ways. I'll bring in Vijay Javandia. He's the founder member of Shetkari Sangathan just quoted. Javandia ji, Dr. Trivedi तो कह रहे हैं कि महाराष्ट्र में आप represent करते हैं महाराष्ट्र की farm unions को, विदर्भ में ये महाराष्ट्र में नागपुर में बहुत सारे examples हैं जो ये laws में अभी भी बेहतर ही हो रहा है वहाँ पर. It's only helped the farmers there.
ये देखिए, he is misleading the country. not only the farmers. In Vidarbha, cotton is purchased by CCI and only 40% cotton is purchased by CCI at MSP, and that is also 200 rupees less than MSP this year. So how MSP is there, and what he is saying about Sharad Joshi has written a agriculture policy in 91 for VP Singh. In that, he has given a yardstick for import-export policy. He has mentioned in that policy that if prices goes above 60% of MSP, then import should be allowed. And if prices goes below 40% of MSP, export should be allowed. So intervention was accepted by Sharad Joshi in 91, and then he changed his stand because then the government changed. So I think leaders are changing, but farmers are very clear that they want the assurance of MSP. And when these people saying, Trivedi ji are constantly saying that these laws are in the interest of the farmers, then why Modi ji promised us in 2014 that if I come to power, I will implement Swaminathan Commission and I will give you 50% profit over cost. That time only he would have said that I will bring these 3 laws, I will give you independence, I will give you one market, one nation. During these 72 months, the problem of farmers and farm laborers would have been solved. Why you are not keeping your promise?
Okay,
you are now,
Dr. Trivedi, sir, would you want to come in?
Because no, just a minute, Preeti ji. Today there is an interview of Nitin Gadkari ji, and what he says that there is a excess production and the market price is less than the MSP. So that is why farmers are not trusting you, because you want to go away from the MSP promises. त्रिवेदी जी, रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाई पर बचन न जाई.
I am sure Dr. Trivedi will have his own.
और किसानों को मूर्ख बनाते रहोगे.
All right, okay, Dr. Trivedi, sir, please answer.
I will answer. इन्होंने लास्ट में कहा रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई, प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. यही तो हमारे लिए कहा जा रहा है कि हम अपने कमिटमेंट सारे प्रूव कर रहे हैं जो लिखा है. और मैं इसके लिए कहूंगा कि जाकी रही भावना जैसी, प्रभु मूरत देखी तिन तैसी. So whatever you want to see, sir, you all will see only from that perspective. And now I will give an answer. Sir, it is said in 1991, after 1991, everything was liberalized. The media was liberalized, the health was liberalized, the education was liberalized, the industry was liberalized. आप याद करिए, at one point of time, even the watches were made by the government, HMT. Even the scooters were made by the government, Scooters India. Even the television sets were made by the government, Uptron. After that, everybody has got the fruit of liberalization. But किसान को नहीं होना चाहिए. जो कहते हैं मार्केट में गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड करे, उन्होंने ही पेट्रोल को टोटल ओपन करवा दिया मार्केट से. और मार्केट में ये
let him finish, sir, please.
What I want to say, sir, one example. Farmers have given so many times the example of the BSNL. Sir, BSNL is not finished, but you remember then where was only one BSNL? अरे साहब, सांसद कोटा होता था फोन के लिए. And when the mobile came 20 years before, what was the rate? 16 rupees per minute in 97, 98. And the incoming call was 8 minutes. अब privatization हुआ, बताइए, incoming free, and the calls have come so low. With due honesty, I would like to ask, it has benefited the country, the seller, and the consumer or not? Or whether it has damaged. You can name a single city in the country जहां सिर्फ सरकारी बस चलती हो. अरे साहब, ऑटो भी चलता है और टैक्सी भी चलती है. Then it is smooth and better. If somebody says कि सरकारी बस चलनी चाहिए, लंबी लंबी लाइन होगी और प्रॉब्लम होगी. So why not allow agriculture to enjoy the fruits of liberalization?
Okay, fair enough. Question there. I know you want to answer. Yes, sir, answer, because then I want to go across to our other panelist, Mr. VM Singh. जी, sir, answer करिए.
प्रीति जी,
देवांदिया जी करिए आंसर, बोलिए.
नहीं, Trivedi ji, what you are saying about 91 and that industrial development, see, industries develop in this country because of 5th pay, 6th pay and 7th pay commission, and another policy, take credit and buy AC, buy car. Just remove this facility to industry, take credit and buy things, and then see what will happen to the industry. 70% population is not having in this country purchasing power. What you and I eat, that is not available to 70% population. So how can demand and supply will give price in market to farmers?
Okay.
Show me one country on globe where farmer is depending on market prices only. Show me one country on globe, sir.
All right, can I just bring in and open our panel there? I want to cut across to Mr. VM Singh as well. He's the National Convener, All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Committee. Mr. Singh, now you're looking at the 9th round of talks. You're still going back to the talking table. Would you reckon you're going to actually achieve anything? Because 8th round, you haven't there's been absolutely no breakthrough.
If the BJP spokesperson speaks the language that he's speaking right now, I think nothing's going to come out of it. Let me just say two things right now. I want to correct him there. He talks about the manifesto. As Vijayji just mentioned, in the 2014 manifesto, it was written by the BJP very candidly that they would give us comprehensive cost plus 50%. But in the 2019, they never mentioned about these laws. And now they are saying that the Congress mentioned, please look after your own manifesto, implement that first before attacking the Congress. If we wanted the Congress manifesto, we would have elected them. Why would we elect you? And the anomaly that he gives right now, on the BSNL, I don't think that anomaly works anywhere. Okay, I'll give a separate thing to him right now, where you were trying to get the metros instead of buses. You say if a metro comes in, you'll go much faster, it's much better, you'll go everywhere around. What we are saying right now is only very simple. Metro ke rates bhi bus ke rates kar dijiye, barabar kar dijiye, bas that's all. MSP dijiye, let a private trader come in. Let a private trader come in, but MSP guarantee kar do, nobody will buy for less than that. That's all the game is. Why are you procrastinating? I don't understand this at all. And you don't need any 9th round or 8th round or 7th round. If the government does this, that's the end of the story. Even the 3 bills become infructuous after that.
Dr. Trivedi,
you just have to be very clear.
Yes.
Hardwire MSP into law. Hardwire MSP into law, it's all over.
Number one, can quote anywhere in the world, the government can determine the price of a commodity in the market. Second, if government determines, it can ensure the purchase. What happens if any price can be determined? It can be determined with its quality. And what happens in natural products? The quality varies, even a slightest aberration. अभी देखिए पानी बरस गया, जरा सा पानी बरस जाए, तो क्या होता है कि moisture content increases. In the present situation, somebody can say out of 100, we can give you just 85 or 90. But if the 100 is a law, then either 100 or it has become kuda. So what you are trying to give, sir? मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं 20,000 का मोबाइल हो, केवल उसमें पन्नी नहीं हो, आप 20,000 का खरीदेंगे? आप कहेंगे ना, आज तो 15,000 का खरीद लेंगे, अगर लॉ होगा तो वो डब्बा हो गया, बेचारा बेचने वाला तो मर गया, उसका 20,000 जीरो हो गया. इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूं, those who are saying that make it a law should try to understand. And VM Singh has raised a very appropriate point. Why we said in 2014 and why we not said, sir, please go and see what the government of India has agreed in Geneva in 2013 in WTO. By that logic, by 22 and 23, we would not have been in a position to give MSP. But it was the Modi government which in August 2014 in Bali WTO stood like a rock, and we faced all the international criticism, but we said that we will ensure everything for the farmers. That's why it was required. Now we have not done only this law. We have removed the Essential Commodities Act also. Because you remember it is the Act of 1955 when we used to import the rice and wheat. And you yourself have said that Punjab has become the leading in the green revolution and the country has become self-sufficient. Still 55 laws should remain there. Okay. In 2013, you remember the Supreme Court of India has said that FCI was unable to contain or store the things are getting rotten in the open. So kindly distribute free of the cost to the poor. Still Essential Commodities Act was there. So that's why I try to understand the change situation in the last 75 years.
All right, yes, Mr.
Can
Singh.
I come in for a minute?
Yes, sir. Yes, I know you wanted, Dr. Trivedi has raised a point. You wanted to come in to rebut, come in.
No. I just want to say, this is why the first talk and the 9th talk. Let's be very specific. He talked about specifications. Every MSP notification since it's come in, contrary to what you people understand, it came in 1965, it came in 1986. Ever since, every specification of MSP is mentioned there. Itna moisture hoga, itna shriveled grain hoga, itna kya hoga. So therefore, don't tell us this, that we'll have to buy the whole thing. Ultimately, the trader is buying the 94% or 93% of our crop. So therefore, the onus is on the trader, not on you. Why are you protecting the trader? The trader is making money over and over again. He buys maize for 7 rupees, sells it for 40 rupees as maize flour. Why are you protecting him? Protect the farmers instead.
Dr. Trivedi, please come in, and I want to go across to Shama
Yes,
Mohammed from the Congress.
I just want to quote last week. You go and check the Dainik Bhaskar's Dhar edition. What he had said, ये जो मटर होता है, ये मंडी में 6 rupees per kilo. In the market it was 20 rupees. The farmers has created an agitation. कि जब market में 20 रुपया है तो 6 रुपए क्यों होना चाहिए? Here is the difference, sir. You have seen that in Maharajganj, the farmer which has talked to Prime Minister, he was saying prior to that his fasal was getting 12 to 15 rupees, and the cost of getting it to mandi was to board by himself, and now it is getting 25 rupees, and the company is getting from its door itself. So try to understand, sir. That's why other than Punjab and Haryana, there is 5 large
केवल जो MSP के बारे में स्पेसिफिकेशन मैंने कहा है,
MSP government is giving, government has ensured MSP.
All right, okay, Mr. Singh, please answer. I want to go to Shama Mohammed then. She's been patient enough.
Yes, sir,
Mr.
just
Singh,
one
please
line,
answer.
one line.
Yes, sir.
हम MSP दे रहे हैं, सितंबर में हमने फिर दिया है. Any government can ensure MSP from the government side, but if you say that the MSP should be ensured in the private market, तो मैंने आपसे कहा ना, आप पन्नी फटा हुआ मोबाइल सेम कॉस्ट में खरीद के दिखा दीजिए खरीदार में, आपकी बात मान.
It goes against the concept of free market, sir, and that's what the bill is. Mr. Singh.
Can I come in,
Preeti? Sorry. You've been waiting for a long time.
All right, okay, so all right. So Shama, at this point of time, the Congress is being accused of making a quick political buck at the back of this agitation, which has entered day 40 now.
Now, that's what I was about to come in. Dr. Trivedi only said there are no leaders in this. Where are we making the quick buck? He is right now on national television said that there are no leaders in this movement. And that is true. This is a movement of the Andatas. And it is a farmer's pure movement. He's come on national television and said there is no, we are just supporting. Of course, we'll support our farmers and we will till our last breath. But a couple of points which I want. He mentioned that the laws, we can go to courts. Then why do we have the parliament? He's a member of parliament. There should have been consensus. He is in the Rajya Sabha. Why did you go for a voice vote? Why not division of vote? But he will not have an answer to that. All your alliance partners themselves tell that they did not discuss with us. Your oldest alliance partner, Akali Dal, says that they have not discussed with them. Now, very important point is, Preeti, you have to give me some time. More than 60 farmers have died. The Prime Minister of India has not said a single word. From that, we know he's not going to repeal the law. Number two, one of the senior most leaders, Nitin Gadkari, says high price, the high MSP is the root cause of the problem. Can you believe that? High MSP is the root cause of the problem. Then he says that, you know, there are pharmacies, a pharmacist sells at whatever price he wants. Now, he doesn't understand a paracetamol has to be sold. There is a price for a paracetamol. A sanitary napkin or a toothpaste is a price in a pharmacy or in a restaurant or whatever he was blabbing on today. Now, very important, he also says that the farmers can go, they can decide now and they can sell wherever they want, to whomever they want. Now, on that note, I want to bring to Dr. Trivedi's attention. In Sihor, Harda and Hoshangabad in Madhya Pradesh, 150 farmers were cheated of 2,600 quintals of crop at 5 crores. Why? Because a person came, a businessman like this, showed them a license and they said, this is from another mandi, not an APMC. Of course, they sold it to him. He gave a check. The check bounced and the man has disappeared. Of course, they've complained to this. Now, the problem is when there is an in Gwalior, 26 farmers, again, there was this businessman who used to buy from them at an APMC. He came to them. He also, check bounced 10 lakhs. So the problem is, they are saying that when there is an APMC, there is a price, there is a guarantee of payment. One, there is an MSP and then there's a guarantee of payment. Here now they're getting duped, and this is a state which is ruled by BJP, and this is because they've got in the Model Act right now, Model Mandi Act. That is, you can have, in 1 second, I've been waiting patiently. You can have APMCs other than, you can have mandis other than the APMC. So what is happening is they are getting duped now, these farmers, and they don't know what to do. And they're coming out in Madhya Pradesh and saying that we want the MSP and we want APMCs. This is the thing. He keeps saying that, you know, this is the Congress thing. I can ask you, when Mr. Modi was the head of the Consumer Affairs Group, he's the one who said that it should be mandatory MSP. So keep doing point. And what we have asked for, every 10 kilometers, there should be smaller MSPs. APMCs is what we said. And one more point. Now, in open markets like America, China, or wherever, like you say, They have got huge subsidies. In 2016, China gave $212 billion to the farmers, farm subsidy. In America, in 2018 to 2023, $867 billion of farm subsidies. In Europe, $100 billion. Are we doing that? Yes, we want our farmers to change their lives. But when we have farmers with small hectares, less than 2 hectares, what you need to do is first, of course, bring them some other sort of employment, and then you can do whatever you want to do. But they don't do anything.
So, Dr. Trivedi, reforms are essential, but reforms cannot happen by stealth, or reforms cannot happen without participation, is what usually the farmers have been saying. When we had an example, sir, in 2006, where we pretty much pushed a similar circumstantial law in Bihar. It's not worked in Bihar. Should we have learnt our lesson there?
You have raised a very appropriate point. I will start from here. In 2006 was implemented in Bihar. Can you quote a single letter given by Congress government till 2014 to Bihar? No. From 2015 to 17, when Congress was there, the part of the Bihar government, who was the agriculture minister? It was the Congress party.
Can I come in?
Who has approved the third stage agriculture reform in Bihar. Third stage agriculture reform approved by the agriculture minister of the Congress party. Now we started giving sermons here. Prime Minister has asked categorically if APMC is... No. मैंने भी आपको patiently सुना, patiently सुनिए. Prime Minister has asked categorically if APMC is so good, why Rahul is not raising the issue in the Kerala, where he is a member of parliament from that state. There it's okay, but Delhi mein bura hai. Okay. In fruits and vegetables, they are giving an APMC to in Kerala. But in Punjab, it should be out of APMC. What a logic. Fruits and vegetables we purchase every day. The wheat and rice we purchase once in a month or once in a 2 months. But it should be there. And moreover, I was coming, she has said, I have not said, madam, that there are no leaders. I have said there is no leaders. And a party which is having a single way of governance, by birthright, the leader is there. And they are saying there should be democracy and the 500 people should be concerned about that. And lastly, again, I would ask your viewers, because there is no use of discussion here on panel, go and see in Geneva 2013 what the then government was almost settled down in WTO regarding subsidies and other. She has quoted very appropriately. अरे भाई ये यही तो कनाडा, यही तो ब्रिटेन, यही तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया हमारे खिलाफ खड़ा था WTO में, और आज वो बयान देते हैं फेवर में. At least Congress party should have said, shut up, and there is no business for Mr. Justin Trudeau or the Minister of the Spain or the Australia to ask anything about these, because you are the countries who are opposing India for shielding the interests of the farmers.
All right,
आज वो लोग बोलने लगते हैं. So that's why I am saying.
Okay, all right, okay, Doctor. Okay, Shama, I know you want to come. Just give me 10 seconds. Give me 10 seconds. But Dr. Trivedi, you know, you've raised an appropriate point. Leave alone the Congress. The Congress didn't raise any objections in 2006. The fact is, last year, sir, the per quintal MSP was 1,800 rupees. It was sold less than 900 rupees in Bihar, while it was sold in 1,800 rupees in Punjab. Isn't that so? Ultimately, the collateral is farmers, sir. In the politics, collateral is farmers.
There should be a genuine comparison between Punjab and Bihar. Forget about farmers.
Sir, MSP. I'm talking about MSP.
वहाँ business को क्या मिलता है? अरे there should be a proper comparison. अगर compare करना है, तो आप गुजरात से compare करिए ना पंजाब को. Punjab is the richest state of the northern India.
Sir, I'm comparing because the government gives MSP. The MSP was 1,800 rupees per quintal for rice. Bihar sold it for less than 900.
Minister को withdraw कर लेना चाहिए था. Why is agriculture minister approved the third state reform? That is the sheer hypocrisy which has been projected here. And the left party अपनी state में देते नहीं है, यहाँ पे आके हल्ला मचाने लगते हैं. That's why we are asking this question. Be very clear about that and let the others also. With due humility, I would like to put forth one more question. They are saying that they will put the tractor rally. Sir, VM Singh, sir, I would like that you should respond. You know how many tractors are there in India? It's 43 lakh tractors, 4.3 million. And you yourself have said 62 crore farmers are there. सर वो 61.5 करोड़ का भी सोचिए, जिसमें 40 करोड़ तो ऐसा जिसने कभी ट्रैक्टर देखा नहीं होगा, उसके पास बैल भी नहीं होगा. Sir, God has blessed you with the tractors, but think of those who are not having even
okay, Mrs. Singh wants to make a point. Shama, I know you wanted to make a point. Let Mrs. Singh make it. I'll come back to you. Mrs. Singh, yes.
I just want to tell Sudhanshu ji, why do you want that to reach a point where tractor rally is held? As I said, MSP is a very clear thing. the input cost is determined by you on the maximum retail price, whether it's diesel, whether it's fertilizer, electricity rates, whether it's pesticides, or whether it's minimum labor. Based on that, you have a MSP calculation by your own people, CSEP. And then the government of the day only decides that. That's the minimum support price. It's a guaranteed price. Why can't you give it to us? That's the moot point. Why are we going left, right, and center? If you only do that, we are taking from Congress we are making a football of the farmers again. If the Congress had done it all, then you would not have been there.
Sir, relative point.
It's a very simple point.
We are not
simple
going left,
point.
right,
MSP needs to be given, that's all.
center.
Sir, that's the reason. That was the reason I was even raising
are
the
giving-
Bihar point of view, which is the same point. The MSP was 1800, the farmers in Bihar sold for less than 900. Collateral between politics, sir.
1868, to be precise. 1868.
1868.
Okay.
In Western UP,
you
in
know how
Western
the
UP,
farmers
which
are
can
getting
be a
this?
parallel to Punjab. Western UP, the parallel to Punjab, we could not get 1200 rupees this time.
Okay,
It's a
Dr.
parallel to
Trivedi, please
Punjab
come.
in spite of the
VM
Supreme
Singh
Court election.
VM Singh sir, you have raised so many questions. I will just ask one question. Which is the biggest multinational of the food? Nestle, working in Punjab since 50 years. The second biggest is Pepsi. Are they doing benefit for the farmers or damage to the farmers? If damage, then what is being done by the Punjab government? If they are doing benefit, why this benefit should not be available to the other parts of the country? Just give a categorical answer.
भाई ऐसा है
Mr.
कि
Singh.
किसी और की थाली से अगर कुछ खाना पड़ा मेरा पेट नहीं भरता. It's a very simple thing. Let's talk basics. You said give me a state.
Sir,
I'm
I
telling you
have asked
Western
a
UP.
specific question.
Make a comparison.
I have
Make a
asked specific
comparison.
question. Nestle और पेप्सी से बेनिफिट हुआ कि नुकसान हुआ? 40 साल से काम
Why
कर
are
रहे
we
हैं।
talking about that?
नुकसान हुआ तो क्या
पेप्सी से
एक्शन
बहुत
लिया?
नुकसान
फायदा हुआ
हुआ.
तो दूसरों को नहीं मिलना
पेप्सी से
चाहिए।
बहुत नुकसान हुआ. The corporates came in 1990. आलू का उसमें था इतना मोटा है इतना छोटा है निकाल दो. अगर
Gujarat,
आप
sir,
आधा
that
रेट कर दो
example
तो
is of
ठीक है.
Gujarat. Pepsi, Gujarat.
No, hang on. It's Punjab and Haryana also.
Okay.
Punjab, Haryana also.
Okay, can I just, okay, I want to go back to Shama Mohammed. She wanted to make a
farming,
point.
We have gone through corporate farming in UP for the last 68 years. All the farmers, through the societies, enter into an agreement with the sugar mills, and the barons don't give us money for 14 months. We should be getting in 14 days. We've seen it all. But the only thing we are asking right now is the minimum support price and nothing more than that. We don't want to challenge you. You are the government of the day. We can only request you, please do it.
Okay, Shama Mohammed, you wanted to make a point?
Talk about Kerala. Kerala is a consumer state. You must understand that. And in Kerala, we mainly export give it to the other states. What we sell is pineapple. So we consume everything. So what is he talking about? I really don't understand. So this is basic hypocrisy. He has not answered a single question on what I raised about the Madhya Pradesh farmers. Who is going to sort out these issues? If there is no minimum support price, how are they going to sell? And you mentioned about Bihar. Bihar is a state is abolished, nothing to do with the central government. Why are you confusing people? It's a state abolished in 2005. They got nothing. They said that, we'll get private investments. Bihar's thing is being sold at 1,000, which they sell is being sold in Punjab at 1,800. That is what we are trying to put in. It's very important. This hypocrisy of yours, you must stop, because MSP is all what they are asking, and you don't want to give. How do you set a price if you don't have an APMC? Just like all those farmers have been swindled swindled in Madhya Pradesh. Why haven't you answered? And why haven't you answered what Mr. Nitin Gadkari says? The MSP is the root cause of the problem. How can MSP be the root cause of the problem? These people, you have not answered that. You have not answered about subsidies. You people have you put GST on tractors, 12%. You put GST on pesticide, 18%. You put GST on fertilizers, 5%. The Congress government never did that.
Okay.
So you have also charged. And on one last point, when we were in power, the excise duty for diesel was in 2014, 3.4 rupees per liter. Right now, it's 25. That also affects the farmers. What are you doing? Are you giving subsidies to them like all these?
Okay, Dr. Trivedi, a quick word in and I to close the show.
You need
Dr.
to answer
Trivedi.
these questions.
Okay, Dr.
Point by point. Point by point.
And Madhya
In the
Pradesh.
first
Okay,
submission, she had
Shama, you
accepted
made your
that
point.
the
Dr.
Kerala is
Trivedi,
having-
yes.
Yes. First submission, she had accepted that the Kerala is having a totally different situation. So things should not be implemented in Kerala. So, ma'am, yahi to nahi hai.
Implement in Kerala.
Second
let's go
thing,
one by one. Okay,
you have
Shama.
not given an answer.
He can't put words in my mouth. I didn't say it has to be.
Okay, okay, fine. Can I? Okay.
I have not spoken over you.
Okay, Dr. Trivedi, make your point.
I have not spoken over you.
Okay, you made your point. Shama Mohammed, you made your point. Dr. Trivedi,
You're
yes.
saying something which I did not say, so I will not allow that.
मैम आई एम नॉट अरे अलाउ की क्या बात है जवाब नहीं दिया आपने बिहार में क्यों आपका एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर ने साइन किया था यही अपोलोजाइज करिए आई अपोलोजाइज दैट द कांग्रेस एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर हैज साइंड द थर्ड स्टेट एग्रीकल्चर रिफॉर्म्स इन बिहार इन बिटवीन 2015 to 13 क्लियरली से नो क्लियरली बोलिए ना दिस इज द शियर हिपोक्रेसी शियर हिपोक्रेसी
On national television and live,
बोलिए
it is a Bihar.
बोलिए
Bihar is the state government.
na.
Please do not.
Okay, let's go one by one. Shama Mohammed, you come on. You know the fact is you were allowed the same. Yes, Dr. Trivedi, make your point.
One more thing I would like to say. She is talking about the bouncing of the checks. Ma'am, bouncing of the check has nothing to do with MSP. It is a criminal act. Even if you give a personal check to me and it is bounced, it is an act of crime and the due action is taken. इसका उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. The action will be taken in Hoshangabad. A farmer has complained that the 2,950 rupees was committed and the company was not giving. Within 48 hours, the company was given a direction to by the SDM court to pay, and the payment was done.
No, it's not done. That's a lie. That's a lie because the farmer has come back and said he's not got the payment. It has not been settled. That is what you're lying now. It has not been settled. That's why they say many farmers are
अच्छा ये बता
being
दीजिए
How are you going to attend to all this? That is why you have a certain regulation. That is what they're asking for, Dr. Trivedi.
अच्छा ओके
We need a regulation.
आपने
You
कहा
put the
था
MSP.
You made your point. Shama, we've heard you. You made your point. Dr. Trivedi.
आपने कहा था दिल्ली जयपुर हाईवे जाम कर देंगे कितने आ गए राजस्थान से आपकी सरकार है and you lost badly on the जिला पंचायत how many farmers are protesting it I am quoting your
But Dr. Trivedi, I need to ask you a question. Was it right to use tear gases on tear gas on farmers last evening at Rewari?
it is a law and order issue nothing to do with farmers.
They were protesting
It
peacefully.
is a law and order issue which the government takes on the same.
Okay. All right.
They
Okay.
were protesting peacefully.
Okay, with both your
and
permission,
they
am I
were
allowed to close this show?
and
Please, let me
they
close
were
this show.
from
All right.
Haryana.
Okay.
अरे मुझे जवाब दे दीजिए छत्तीसगढ़ में महाराष्ट्र में तेलंगाना में
They were
आंध्र में
protesting peacefully in
तमिलनाडु में
Haryana and
राजस्थान में
people
कितना
just
आंदोलन हो रहा है
support.
अगर आज हो रहा होता ना तो सोशल मीडिया के जमाने में पार्ट दिया होता you should have filled up with the photos and videos on social media but unable to say.
Okay.
Do
All
they
right.
have the right to enter Jantar Mandir?
Okay,
Why
Shama
are they
Mohammed,
the
can we,
Delhi
okay, let's all
followers?
take a
They
deep
have the right
breath.
to protest.
Let's all take a
Why
deep
are
breath
you
and
not
let's
allowing
hope.
them in Jantar
Let's hope
Mandir?
there is breakthrough
The
on the
farmers
ninth
have the
round
right
of
to
talks.
protest in Delhi.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
sorry.
All right,
You are
Shama
not allowing
Mohammed,
them
okay.
inside Delhi. That's
Let's all
fine what
take
the
a
government
deep
is
breath.
doing.
We have another round of talks. It would be the 9th round of talks and it would be day 45th when these round of talks happen. And let's just hope there's a breakthrough then. Let's hope there is middle ground which is reached and this agitation can come to an end. Appreciate you all for joining.